In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Power Query in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll know how to bring data into Excel, clean it up quickly, and keep it updated with just a click. Start by opening Excel and the worksheet where you want to work. It can be a new workbook or an existing one. Next, head to the Data tab. In the Get and Transform Data group, you'll find the entry points to Power Query. This is where you choose the source for your data. You can connect to several common sources. From Table Range lets you use data that already lives in your current workbook. If your data isn't formatted as a table yet, Excel will prompt you to create one. Go ahead and confirm the range and whether your table has headers. From File is perfect for CSVs or other Excel workbooks stored on your computer. And from Web lets you pull data from an online URL, which is great for public data sets or reports. After you pick a source, your data opens in the Power Query editor, a separate window built for cleaning and shaping data before it reaches your sheet. Across the top, you'll see tabs like Home, Transform, and Add column. These contain the tools you'll use to prepare your data. The preview grid in the center updates instantly as you make changes, so you can see your results in real time. Now clean the data using the ribbon commands. Remove any rows or columns you don't need to streamline your data set. Rename columns so they're clear and consistent. Well-labeled columns make formulas and reports easier later. Set column data types such as text, whole number, or date to prevent errors and ensure calculations behave as expected. If you need derived information, use Add column to create new fields. Things like extracting a month from a date or combining first and last names. Each action is fast and reversible. On the right side, you'll see applied steps. Every transformation you make is recorded here. You can click a step to revisit it, use the gear icon to edit settings, drag to reorder steps, or remove one if something doesn't work. Be mindful that changing the order can affect later steps, so review the preview after each adjustment. When you're happy with the results, go to the Home tab and select Close and Load. Excel brings your cleaned data into a new table, ready for analysis, charts, or pivot tables. As your source data changes, simply return to the Data tab and click Refresh All. Power Query will reapply every transformation automatically, keeping your table current without repeating any manual work.